Guys, it's time to bring the goslings in the barn because the house is starting to stink with them inside because they like playing in the water. Right over there, got this door. Okay, I'll put these on to the side for now. Take these bags off. Dang, those goslings got massive. I just changed this bedding out a day ago about. I don't know when you guys will see this video, maybe today, maybe some other day. Pull that. Put that in here. Take the top off. There. And put these little suckers in here. Little fluff nuggets. So, okay, put them down. Okay, the other one, his Bubba or his sister, I don't know. There they go. My goodness. Look at the size difference. That's crazy. But yeah, this is the little update for now. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.